Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the job safe. Turn the ignition off, remove the key, and if you can, disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts. Next, remove the front apron screws or the access panel bolts. Keep fasteners in a small tray so you don't lose them. Once done, locate the headlamp housing behind the panel and clear away grime. You need clear visibility to work. Use a flashlight, because reaching the bulb socket is cramped and requires steady hands. You now focus on the bulb itself. Gently depress the connector tab and unplug the wiring harness. Never yank on wires. Then release the retaining clip or rotate the bulb holder counterclockwise depending on your model. Once free, pull the bulb straight out to avoid damaging the socket. Before installing the replacement, inspect the socket for corrosion. When you insert the new bulb, do not touch the glass with bare fingers. Oils cause hot spots and early failure. Once the bulb is seated and the holder locked, reconnect the wiring harness and the battery terminal you removed earlier. Refit the access panel and tighten screws evenly so the apron aligns properly. Now turn the ignition on and test the low and high beams. Watch for steady light and correct beam pattern. If the lamp flickers or doesn't light, make sure the fuse is intact, the connector has voltage, and the bulb is oriented correctly. Those 3 issues solve most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.